In the centre of town off Craggbrow is an award-winning and uniquely Lakeland family attraction.
So Greg, what is it that makes the Beatrix Potter attraction so popular?
It's something for everybody. It's a family attraction, it's an all-weather attraction. People can reminisce as adults about their childhood, and children are discovering entirely new characters.
How do you keep attracting new people?
By retelling the stories, by keeping it fresh, by encouraging people to learn about Beatrix and what she stood for, to discover the Lake District as a whole. It's not just about the attraction, it's about all of Lakeland and what Beatrix tried to do to preserve that.
What's your favourite bit of the exhibition?
My favourite's the garden. We're currently sat in the garden and there's beautiful things that you can see. There are little glimpses of garden images from the stories. You'll see the Mr. McGregor's greenhouse, all sorts of little things that evoke childhood memories for virtually everybody.
And there's plenty to do here. It's not just about the attraction itself.
It's not just about the attraction. We have activities for children. There's an activity sheet that people can do in the garden. They have to find characters that are hidden. They have to find words that are hidden, some more easy than others. There's lots going on. We have our own kitchen garden now as well, which we planted up at the start of this year, and that provides fresh produce, organically grown fresh produce for our own tea room. So we continue the theme all the way through the attraction.
And there's so many touches, and there's the cafe and the shop and everything else, so you can spend a good chunk of time here.
Certainly can, yeah, and it's something that people come back year after year and look at and see changes. And there are lots of exciting things coming in the future as well. It's our 20th anniversary next year, we've got lots planned for that.
And it's always growing and developing, this attraction, isn't it?
There's something new every year. We try and make sure that the attraction stays fresh and people see different things every time they come.
If you want to explore the world of Beatrix Potter further, then the Windermere car ferry just south of Bowness will take you over to Sawrey, where the author lived and wrote a number of her famous books.